Open that Orion, once again about to open that Orion Cooker at 1 hour and 30 minutes. 2 slabs of ribs and a chicken. Let's open it up and see what we got, folks. Oh my goodness, what happened to the chicken? Did it just cook apart? I think it did. Fell off the rack. Ooh. 2 slabs of baby back looking real good right there. Chicken looking kind of critical down there. I'm gonna have to go get that out with the tongs. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, let's move them ribs on out the way. Them 2 slabs of baby back right there. Cover them up.